Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your holidays. So, children, today we will learn the concept of near and far. So, children, do you know the meaning of near and far? No? Okay, I'll tell you. So, near means which is close to you, which is close to you, and far means which is away from you, which is away from you. Like your parent is near to you, your parent is near to you, and your teacher is far from you, your teacher is far from you. Okay, so now kids, see the picture. There are two children waving at each other. Now see, this boy is waving to this boy is waving to this girl. So the boy is near to the tree. See, this boy is near to the tree, and that girl is far from the tree. This boy is near to the tree, and that girl is far from the tree. So this boy is near to the tree, so he looks bigger. He looks bigger. And that girl is far from the tree, so she looks smaller. She looks smaller. So generally the object which appears big is near, and the object which appears smaller is far away. Now kids, I am going to show you some example. Now see this dog. So this dog is away from the boy. This dog is away from the boy. Now see this distance. The dog is away from this boy. Now see the next picture. The dog is near to the girl. The dog is near to the girl. This dog is away from the boy, and this dog is near to this girl. Now see the next example. Now see this girl. This girl is away from the tree. This girl is away from the tree. You can see this distance. Now in the next picture, the boy is near to the tree. The boy is near to the tree. So now kids, see, there are two animals. One is dog and one is elephant. So now kids, can you tell me which is near to the tree? Which animal is near to the tree and which is far from the tree? So see, there are two animals, 1 and 2. So you have to tell me which animal is near to the tree. Yes, the dog is near to the tree. See, you can see the dog is near to the tree, and that elephant is far from the tree. The elephant is far from the tree. Now see this ball. The ball is near to the boy. So this ball is near to the boy. And now this ball is far from the boy. So this ball is near to the boy and this ball is far from the boy. So now I have an activity for you. So here you have to circle the animal which is near to the building. So this is building and the two animal is here. So you have to circle the animal which is near to this building. So you have to circle the animal which is near to this building. So children, can you tell me which animal is near to this building? Yes, dog. Dog is near to this building. So now I have one more exercise. So here you have to circle the animal which is far away from the building. So again there are two animals, dog and elephant. So here you have to circle the animal which is far from this building. So here you have to circle the animal which is far from this building. So children, can you tell me which animal is far from this building? Yes, correct. Elephant. This elephant is far from this building. So we will circle this elephant because this is far from, because this elephant is far from this building. So now children, this is your homework. So here you have to circle the here you have to circle the animal which is nearest to this tree. So you have to circle the animal which is nearest to this tree. So this is your homework. So that's all for today class. Bye bye. Take care.